Thursday, look at Thursday. Ain't even Thursday, I'm rocking her mix.
Alright, man, got some good news. I could have showed you the process, but I'm gonna explain it to you as fast as I can. Right? You see the fans are working. Right? Fans are working right now, and they weren't working. So what happened was I went to the, I don't know if they can hear me, but at first I know there's a test that you could do. So the test is you take out the temperature sensor, right? Take it out. Instantly the fans are supposed to turn on. And, kind of like this, not turn off. It stays on, which it could still be a fail-safe right now, but it's on. I'm gonna clear the codes in a second. So what happens, I came over here, I bought this car, and the guy had told me that he had a fan problem. I had to change the fans. So I'm thinking that the fans are just not turning on because they're not turning on. Oh, look, I forgot about this plug too. Yeah, that's definitely why. It's probably acting up. So anyways, it didn't have these two fuses. 30 amps, I put 40 amps, and the fans turn right on instantly. So check your fuses, man. That's pretty much it, honestly. So we're checking, look, 7 DTCs. Wow. I'm gonna go and read these codes. They all have fuel, bypass regulator, no full coast fan, database, intake, air temperature, engine cool. These are all the plugs that I pulled out, honestly. Crankshaft position, so yeah, that's the one that has to relearn. That's the one 315 that I'm gonna take it to the shop for. I mean, I need another computer for that one, but I'm gonna take it to the shop for that one. And then everything, biometrics, circuit load, everything else. So we're gonna erase these codes. Checkers, well, checkers light won't go off anyways, just because there's a hard code, which is the throttle relearn. So now we turn it on. So the fans are not turned on, which is good, right? There's the throttle relearn, which you see right there, going up and down. So I started to check engine light. I think I hit the airbag sensor in the front, and the light just came on, which is some bullshit. So I'm gonna have to change that. I'm gonna find out. And then we're gonna read the codes again. Yep. See, crankshaft position, relearn, variation, relearn. That's the only thing that's on this right now. And then right now, as you can see, the fans will be off. They're gonna turn on automatically when it gets to half. So, right, fans is off. And they should turn on in a second. Like normal. And once that happens, we know that our job is done on the fans. Sure. So I try to hold this, show you guys how it turns on after the car gets to a certain temperature. Thought it would have been faster than this. Again.
No, you're not shaking.
Yeah, it's still there. I told you, Church. It's the throttle, I told you. Well, anyways. But look, it's still not there yet. It's not at the middle yet. It's getting into that section. Once it gets there, Those fans are supposed to cut on. So, I really just want to show y'all. Funny thing too is when I had the biometrics unplugged, it was revving better, but nonetheless, I don't care. Waiting for those fans to turn on. I feel the heat starting to come up, so that's what we're waiting for now. It's right there. So once it starts to go above that line, y'all, that's where those fans kick in. You know the fans work, man. Just waiting for it to kick on. Yeah, guys, it took me like 10 minutes more. But as you can see, the fans is on, they're running. The car is stable. I'm about to take it on a little ride. Just to double check everything. Probably take it to get that variation thing, the check engine light fixed real quick. We'll see. But pretty much just check your fuses, y'all. I mean, you could do the quick test, take out the temperature sensor all the time. The fans will turn right on. If it doesn't, check the wiring to the fuse box. So.